Assalamu alaikum. My name is Syed Aoun. I am O-level physics teacher, and the grade that is 8, the lecture that is I am going to deliver is lecture number 2, and that lecture is related to parallel arrangement of resistors. The first bullet point says that in parallel arrangement of resistor, potential difference is same. It means that if you include different resistors and that resistors are arranged in a parallel fashion, the potential difference through each of the resistors remains the same. The potential difference through each of the resistors remains the same. Different type of resistors that are you are arranging in a parallel fashion, the potential difference across each of the resistor remains the same. And if we want to find out the potential difference across the resistor, we have to use the voltmeter. Voltmeter will measure the potential difference across any component. In this case, we are taking resistor as the component. Second bullet point is that in parallel arrangement of resistor, current is added. This statement means that there are these different resistors that are attached in a parallel fashion. So current is not the same. The current that is passing through each of the resistors is not the same. Current is divided. Greater will be the resistance of the resistor, smaller will be the current. The total current that is flowing through the electric circuit when it passes through each resistors that are arranged in a parallel fashion is divided. So that's why if we want to find out the total current, we have to attach a meter to each of the resistors and then detect, measure current that is passing through each resistor. After that, we have to find out the total current. We have to add up that the current that are passing through each of the individual resistors. Third bullet point is that if we find out the total resistance in a parallel circuit, then we have to add the inverse of each resistance of a resistor. If there are three resistors, then we have to add the inverse of three resistors with each other. If there are four resistors, then we have to add the inverse of uh, four resistors resistance, and their combined sum will give the total equivalent resistance. Next bullet point is that potential difference is measured by voltmeter. Voltmeter is an electrical instrument that is used to measure the potential difference, and that voltmeter electrical component is attached parallel to the resistor. Second last bullet point is that current is measured by ammeter. Ammeter is an electrical instrument that is used to measure the current. If we have to find out the electric current that is passing through the resistor, we have to attach the ammeter in series with the resistors. And last bullet point is that resistance is measured by ohm meter. Ohm meter is an electrical instrument that is used to measure the electrical resistance. If we have to find out the electrical resistance of the resistor, then we have to attach electrical instrument that is ohm meter. So I hope so you will like my lesson, and if you need any support regarding to anything that is related to physics, I can guide you, I can help you. Goodbye.